Hello, good morning everybody, and once again welcome to Pankaj's Echelon Tutorials. In this today's session, we are going to deal with ICSC 7th grade. Okay, and the subject is as usual maths, and the topic happens to be profit and loss. And let us see how many questions we can do today. So let us start with example number 1. Okay, example number 1 says that find the loss percentage. So you have to find out loss percentage. Loss percentage is question mark if the cost price is given to you as, so you can see that cost price is given as rupees 450. Okay, and the selling price is given to you as rupees 375. Okay, so with this as the information, we can use this formula. We know that the formula relating to this loss, okay, loss percentage, cost price and selling price, we have a formula. So what is the formula that we'll see? Okay, the formula is loss percentage is equal to, we have this formula, loss percentage is equal to loss upon cost price multiplied by 100. Okay, this is a formula that we have, but this formula is not going to be so much useful because we can do that. Okay, we can do that. Okay, fine. So what we'll do is loss percentage is equal to loss upon cost price into 100. Now the same thing, this loss can be written as cost price minus selling price. Okay, so this will be cost price. Loss can be written as cost price minus a selling price upon cost price into 100, isn't it? Now since cost price and selling price are given to us, so we can find out this loss percentage. Okay, so loss percentage will be equal to, now cost price is how much? It is 450 minus selling price is 375 divided by cost price, that is 450 times 100. Okay, so this, if you work out, this will be 450 minus 375 should be 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, and then 4 minus 7 is 7. That's 75 upon 450 into 100. So this 0 and this 0 cuts. Now 75 and 45, 5 into 15 is 75 and 5 into 9 is 45. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So you'll end up with a 50 upon 3, okay, as a loss percentage. Now 50 upon 3, okay, should give you the answer as how much, 50 divided by 3, the ones are 3, okay, 2 is the remainder, take down 0, 3 7s are 20, so 3 6 are 18, and 2 point, put down 0, again 3 6 are 18. So this will go on. So the answer is 16.666. It's a recurring one. Okay, so answer will be 16.7 percentage. So loss percentage for this particular question is 16.7 percentage. Right, so that was example number 1 for today. Now let us come to example number 2. Okay, now this is that example number 2. Right, now we have many more questions to solve today. I've already kept them ready, so we'll see them one by one. Right, this goes down, this goes down, this goes down, and this goes down. Okay, sure. So this is now question number 2. So example number 2 says that Trisha bought a wristwatch for rupees 600. So the cost price of the watch is equal to rupees 600, and sold it for rupees 576 to her friend. So selling price of the watch is equal to rupees 576. Okay, clearly you can see there is a loss incurred by this particular Trisha. Okay, so it was sold to a friend Tanya. What is the loss percentage? So the question is loss percentage is what? Okay, so first of all we are going to use this formula. We know that loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price times 100. Okay, now loss will be nothing but cost price minus selling price upon a cost price into 100. This will be cost price is 600 minus selling price is 576 upon 600 into 100. Okay, so the 0 0 0 0 cuts. Now 600 minus 576 should be 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, and 9 minus 7 is 2. That's it, 24 upon 6, and 6 into 4 is 24. So the answer is 4%. So the loss percent is 4%. That was example number 2. Let us move on to example number 3, and let us take this one. Okay, so let me take this down, down, and down. Okay, fine. Now this is today's example number 3. Example number 3 says that by selling a cow for rupees 28,500, so selling price of the cow is rupees 28,500. Fine. A farmer suffered a loss of 5%. So in this 5% loss percentage is 5%. Fine. Find his cost price. So you have to find cost price of the cow. Question mark. Let us take this as X. Okay. Now what we are going to do, now we can do one thing. Okay, now we are going to use that formula. We know that loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price times 100, and in turn loss is nothing but the cost price minus selling price. Okay, loss is always cost price minus selling price. I'll write cost price minus selling price upon cost price into 100. Now in this case loss percentage is given to you. Okay, it is given as 5%. So I'll take it 5. Cost price is given as 20. No, cost price is not given, so I'll take that as X, minus selling price is 28,500 upon cost price is X times 100. Fine. Now what I can do is this, I'll keep it in bracket. So I'll take this X over here. Okay, and I'm going to bring this 5 over here. Rest of the things I'm going to keep as it is. So X minus 28,500 I'm keeping as it is, and this 5 I will bring here. Now once I bring 5 over here, this 5 will cut here 20 times. Okay, so X is equal to 20 times X minus 28,500. Fine. Now let us try to work out X. Okay, so again I'll have to bring them down, okay, fine, sure. So how to make X the subject? Now there's one X over here, there's one X over here, so we'll have to bring all the X's on one side. So this will be opening the bracket 20X minus this will be 28,500 into 20. So 28,500 times 20 should be how much? Okay, so first I'll see that there are 3 zeros over here, so I'll put those 3 zeros, and this 285 I'm going to multiply by 2. So 5 2s are 10, 0, 1 carried, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17, 1 carried, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. So I'm getting the answer as 5 7 1 2 3 4 zeros. Fine. Now what I'll do, this 5 7 and the 4 zeros, okay, that is 570000. I'll bring on this side, and this 20x I'm keeping here, and this x I'm bringing over here. So 20x, yeah, it should be 20x minus x. Now 20x minus x is 19x, equal to 57, 1, 2, 3, 4. So x will be equal to 57, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 19. Okay, now let us see, 57 divided by 19 is how much? Now 19 into what should come? 19 into how much is 57? Let me check. 19 into 9 is a 9, 2 is a 9, 3 is a 27. Let us check this. 9 3 is 27. 9 3 is 27. 7, 2 carried. 3 1 is 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. So 19 into 3 is 57. So I'll do one thing. 19 into 3 is 57. And I'll add this zeros over here. Okay. So I'm getting x equal to 3 and then these 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got my x. What was this x? X was nothing but the cost price of the cow. So we can write that the cost price of the cow is rupees 30,000. Okay, fine. So that was example number 3, and now let us go to example number 4. Okay, fine. Let us take this as our example number 4. Okay, yeah. So example number 4 is this one. What it says is, Ravi bought a TV set for rupees 9,500. He bought a TV set, so cost price of TV set is equal to rupees 9,500, right? Okay. He sold it at a loss of 6%. So loss percentage is equal to 6%, right? How much did he sell? So what is the selling price? Selling price of the TV set is equal to what? So let us take that as x, right? So here we are going to use the same formula. Loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price. Okay, or just let me write CP divided by CP times 100. So loss percentage, now let me complete this formula. Loss percentage, loss will be CP minus SP upon CP into 100. Fine. Now let me plug in the values. Loss percentage is given as 6%. So I'll put 6 over here. And cost price is 9,500 minus selling price I have taken as x, so it will be x upon cost price is 9,500 into 100. Okay, fine. Now my job is to find out this x. Okay, so what I'll do is okay, I'll do one thing. This 100, first I'm bringing on the left hand side, so it will become 6 upon 100 equal to 9,500 minus x upon 9,500. Okay, now next what I will do is yeah, let me bring this 2 down once again. Yeah, okay. Now what I will do is I'll take this 9,500 over here. So 6 upon 100 into 9,500 I'm taking here equal to 9,500 minus x, right? Now this should work out to what, see this 0 cuts. Now I'm left with 95 into 6. 6 5s are 30, 0 3 carried, and 9 6 is 54. 54 plus 3 is 57. So 570 I'm getting equal to 9,500 minus x. Now what I'll do some transposition. This minus x I'm going to bring on this side, so it will become plus x. 9,500 I'm keeping here only, and this 570 with a plus sign is coming on this side, so it will become minus 570. So I'm getting x equal to this. Okay, so 0 minus 0 is 0, then 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay, and 4 minus 5, so 14 minus 5 is 9, and this will be 8. Okay, so X is equal to 8,930. That's what I'm getting as X. Now what was this X? X was nothing but my selling price. Okay, so selling price is 8,930. So I can write that the selling price of this TV set is 8,930 rupees. Okay, fine. Okay, so that was example number 4. Now let us try to work out this example number 5. Okay, and then we are left with one more. So first let us start with the 5th one. So example number 5 is over here. A man sold a computer for rupees 25,000. Okay, so selling price of a computer is equal to rupees 25,000. Okay, at a loss of 10%. So loss percentage is equal to 10%. Fine. What was the cost price of the computer? So you have to find out the cost price of the computer is what? Let it be X. So again, we are going to use this formula. Loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price times 100. Again, loss will be cost price minus selling price upon cost price times 100. Okay. Now loss percentage is given as 10, so I'll take 10 over here. Cost price is given as 25,000. No, it is X, so I'll take X for cost price. Selling price is 25,000 and cost price is X into 100. Fine. Okay. Now what can be done? This 100 I'll bring over here. So 10 upon 100 will be equal to X minus 25,000 upon X. Fine. Okay. Now let us see what we can do. Okay. Now what I can do is I can do something called splitting. Okay. So this is 1 upon 10 equal to, now here I'm going to do splitting. Now what is splitting? A minus B upon C is equal to A upon C minus B upon C. This is known as splitting. A single fraction is converted into two fractions. Okay, so the same thing I'm going to do here. So this will be X upon X minus 25,000 upon X. Okay, so this will cut and give me 1, and I'll be left with minus 25,000 upon X. This will be 1 by 10. Now again transposition, this entire thing, this thing with a minus sign will come here. So it will become plus 25,000 upon X. This one I'm keeping here only, and this 1 by 10, when it comes on this side, it will become minus 1 by 10. Now this will work out to 10 ones are 10 minus 1, that is 9 upon 10. Okay. Now I can find out my X ka value very easily. For that, now what I'll do, just see. Okay, now what I'll do, I will do cross multiplication. So 25,000 multiplied by 10 will be equal to 9 into X. Okay, I want to find out X, so I'm going to take this 25,000 into 10 upon 9 equal to X. Fine. Okay, so my answer is 25, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 9. This should be my X. Okay, so let us work out 25 divided by 9 is how much? Okay, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are, okay, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, so 9 twos are 18, 19, 20, 7 is left. Okay, so I'm getting okay, point, we take 0. Okay, some awkward answer I'm getting. Okay, let me recheck this particular question. Okay, it's let me recheck it. Okay, you are getting 25,000 into 10 upon 9, isn't it? Right. Now let us see how we can work out this. Nothing is wrong, but we'll have to see how to do the calculation. This will be 25 into 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros upon 9 equal to x, isn't it? So this should work out to 25 upon 9 should work out to 9 twos are 18, 7 point, take a 0. Now 9 sevens are 63, 9 sevens are 63. So again I'll get 70 minus 63 is 7. So again I'm going to take a second 0 down. Okay, we have 4 zeros, right? So these 2 zeros I have already taken now so far. So another 7, it will be 63. Again I'll get 7. So I'll take this 0 down. Again I'll get 7. So it will be 63. Okay. Again I'll bring this 0 down. Again I'll get one more 7 and I'll get 63. So this will go on. So you can see that the answer for this is 25 upon 9. Okay. 2.7777 into 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now these 4 zeros I'm going to use here to shift this decimal 4 places on the right. So 4 places when it shifts to the right, it will be 2, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This should be the x value, isn't it? So my answer has to be x equal to rupees 2777. Now this is in continuation, so you can write minus 0.7 also. Okay. So the what was x, by the way? It was first price. Yeah. So the cost price, therefore, the cost price is nothing but rupees 2777.78. This will be the cost price. Okay. So that was example number 5, and this is example number 6, perhaps the last one of today's session. So let us see what this question number 6 has to say. It is find the selling price. So selling price is equal to question mark. So let it be x. When cost price is given as rupees 9,600 and the loss percentage is 3.1/8 percentage. Okay. So we are going to use this formula. We know that loss percentage is equal to okay, loss upon cost price into 100, and again loss will be cost price minus selling price upon cost price into 100, right? Now we have to find out what we have to find out this x, the selling price. Okay, so can I write this loss percentage as 3.1/8? Okay, equal to cost price is 9,600 minus selling price is x upon cost price is 9,600 times 100. Good. Now this is a mixed fraction, so 8 is 24 plus 1, 25 upon 8 will be equal to 9,600 minus x upon 9,600 times 100. Good. So far it's fine. Now what I'll do is this 100, I'm going to bring it on this side. So 25 upon 8 into 100 equal to 9,600 minus x upon 9,600. Okay. Now this will lead to 25 into 4 is 100, right? 25 into 4. So 25 1 4. So this will give me 1 upon 8 4s are 32. On this side, I can do splitting. Okay, splitting is what? 9,600 upon 9,600. That is 1 minus x upon 9,600. Okay, I hope you understood this step. Now, we want to find out this x, right? We are interested in this. So this entire thing I'm going to bring on left hand side. So it will become x upon 9600 equal to this one. I'll keep here only. And this 1/32 I'm bringing over here to make it minus 1/32. Okay, this is plus. So after coming here, it will become minus. So x upon 9600 will be equal to, now this will be 32 into 1 is 32 minus 1 upon a 32. This is equal to 31 upon a 32. So x will be equal to 31 upon 32 times 9600. If you work out this 32 and 9600, okay. So let us see, 32 into 3 should be 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9, okay. So 32 into 3, and these are 2 zeros, so I'll put 2 zeros over here. So my ultimate answer is x is equal to 31 times 300, which will be equal to these 2 zeros I'll keep as it is. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So 9300. So x is equal to 9300, and this x was nothing but my what was it, selling price. Okay, so the final answer is the selling price has to be rupees 9300. Okay. That's the end of this today's session, where we have solved some 6 more questions on profit and loss from one of the ICSE curriculum book, and this was for the 7th grade students. Okay, so that's all for today. See you sometime in the next video, and we'll continue in that. Okay, bye, take care all of you.